Infinitives. What is an infinitive? So the infinitive, l'infinito, is the basic form of a verb before it's been conjugated or modified to match the subject and verb tense. In English, it's the to form of a verb. In Italian, it's the eri, ieri, and ieri form. For example, parlare, to speak. Okay, you see how the eri, it's got the eri ending, and in English, it's to speak. Avere is to have, and finire, to finish. When you use the infinitive form, you use the infinitive form when you want to say to do something. Okay, so to do something. For example, I want to play. Voglio giocare. So I want, voglio, to play. Giocare. So in this case, you leave on the ARE ending and you don't conjugate it. In this example, voglio, has been conjugated from the irregular verb volere, and giocare remains in its infinitive form. So I don't have to conjugate every verb then? Nope. In general, you conjugate the first verb in a series, then leave the immediately following verbs in their infinitive form, which is way easier. Okay, so again, back to this example. Voglio giocare, you conjugate the first verb, volere, and you don't conjugate giocare if you want to leave it with the to form, in the to form.